just finished doing the live sale for Friday over on Pop Shop Live today. It was a lot of fun. I had some originals and some other new items available for customers, so it was really cool just to be back again, because I've been off doing the live sales stuff for a while because we had family needs to be taken care of. So it was nice to be back and all that as well. I hope to be working on more original stuff. Right now we're still working on cleaning my studio out, and by we I mean me, because I just need a purge. I did make a whole slew of mystery bags for whenever people want to purchase them. They are worth over $75 at least. And most items in there are just retiring items. So it's pretty cool. So I'll list that in on my shop too. Everything's getting a makeover, getting cleaned, get a refresh. It'll be really cool to see everything organized in a way that I feel like I can think again. But yeah. Right now I am working on a design for my sip and paint classes. So I'm going to make this, my logo, into an apron. I'm going to be branding my aprons, which is cool because I've been wanting to have aprons for a while for my people. Didn't really think it was necessary, and then we had a couple snafus where people, even though I told them to wear paint-friendly clothing, when you're going to an event like this, you know, like any sort of painting event, you don't, you know, you're not usually a painter. So you don't think about it. And so here I am making the cuteness happen, and that way to protect your clothes while you create at my sip and paint events, which will be super fun. The aprons just came in today, which I'm super excited about. And then the next one I have is tomorrow. So it'll have already happened by the time you see this video, but here's the process of me making happiness happen, because we need sprinkles on there. My little mascot friend, he is gonna be amazing, and we're gonna have so much fun. So this is the first time we've had the Cricut back in the studio this year. Is it this year? I don't even know. gonna leave it a month or 2. No, it's been 3 months. It doesn't matter. So anyway, here we are. Thanks to the help of my kiddos. I'm really hoping this is gonna work because I got new aprons for my classes that I'm having, my sip and paint nights and my student art classes that are going to be happening this fall. That way everyone has nice clean outfits and no one can take them home. So here we go. I'm a little nervous because the Cricut has never been my friend. Mind you, we ended up getting the, and by we I mean my husband Randy got it. We ended up getting the Smart Iron-On heat transfer vinyl because I think it's worth it because I don't need any extra problems. When I first got this, it came with a sheet or 2 sheets of Smart Iron-On, and I used it and it was wonderful. I don't know what makes it smart. I can't remember. Is what? It knows how to cut. Yeah, basically. And I'm like, I don't. So this is what we're doing. And we went to Hobby Lobby. They seem to have it cheaper than Michael's does, or Target. So there we have it. And it's going, we have, how many on this sheet? I have 12 on this sheet to do. So I will let you know how it goes. So we ran into a snag because apparently the my font is too thin, and so what was happening is it's starting to pull it up. However, we have a plan. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, this is what you have to do. You always run into these different things. Sorry, there's no filter on this, so you know what? Just look at my screen. What I'm going to do, instead of having the vinyl cut out this, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna have to design something a little bit more me, maybe like a cloud shape or something. But the idea is basically the background is going to be solid and this part is going to be showing through, which is good because this will be cut out in white vinyl on a black apron. So it's a learning curve, guys. I don't Cricut. I mean, I pulled it out because I had this idea. So this part is going to be the part that's going to be vinyl, and this part is going to be the fabric that will show through. I'm hoping this is going to work, and I have enough vinyl to test it anyway, but what I want to do is make a simple like cloud shape instead, and then I'll have to basically edit and delete all these different shapes that end up making my logo. So wish me luck. Here we go again. My new paint holder, and I know this like angle's not working, and I know it's really early, but I gotta record this so I can show you guys what's going on. So I found this on Etsy. I've been looking for a thing to hold my paint, some shelf or something to go here, because right now everything's over in this corner and I really want to use this wheelie cart in that corner so I have more like a desk space, because there's a top that goes with that. Yeah, so we're gonna try this. Okay, like if I can figure out how to open this, hold on a second. Like I really hope this is gonna work, you know, because I really need it to work. You know how many things I've been looking and trying and they just don't fit all my paint, right? Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, so here are the like stud things that I put in the wall to help it stabilize itself so it can stand. Oh, it came with little thank you mints and how to assemble. I'm wondering how these are gonna work, but it looks, the colors are great. Oh! that this was magnetic. It's not magnetic, whatever. Let's try that again. Okay, so that happened, which is really cool. And now all I need to do is get all my paint organized into here, which is going to be great because then I can just grab paint from here to here where I'm working. So honestly, you can see like this little thing literally just changed everything for my studio. It wasn't much. I did hunt for a few different ones, and paint storage is what I'm saying. I did hunt for a few different ones, but this one ended up being the winner. I returned the other items to Amazon, but this one I found on Etsy, and it was by another small business. So I'm happy to support small business anytime that happens. Originally, the paints were in there, but the lid wouldn't cover, so I needed to find a new location. And I also personally like to be able to see everything. If I don't see it, like especially colors, it doesn't exist. And my mom would always say that. She's like, if it's not out, you just tend to forget about it. I'm like, yeah, like down here, the storage cabinet here, not sure how long I'm going to have it, but it was another one of those like upcycled finds. Like my dad found that one for me very long time ago. And inside there's like different wood materials and stuff. So literally that's my studio, and then this is the side I really haven't tackled, so we're not going to look at that, but I did put glitter paper in the windows just to kind of like inspire myself there. I need glitter. I need happiness. Whatever it is in your studio that you like uplifts you, put it around you. Like you need that happiness. Try it. Like for me, like moon and art. A little up close with some inspiration. My daughter drew me that, and my sister-in-law made me that. These are just some fun little trinkets that inspire me. And there's my grandpa and me. I was probably eating off his plate, and he's like, hey, hello. Then this stuff never changed, nothing up there or anything like that. But down here, my rolly cart, everything was already organized here. It was the top part that needed more space. I did have a plant here. I did remove it. And I don't know where it's going to go, but here's all my paint. Here's the freaking thing. I'm so excited. So this is the paint, shelf tray grid I found on Etsy, and it looks stunning. I'm so excited. I'm gonna link the shop owner in the description, so if you're looking for something, she actually makes these 3D printed I guess grip hook things, and they come in all kinds of colors. Super fun and super genius. You can make it a square. I liked it a diamond, and I did my rainbow thing, and you can put other things in there too. I use craft paint, so that's why I went with this. And then since my desk, oh my gosh, look, you can see my desk. Since it's right here, I can easily grab. Now, because I do have an awful lot of paint, don't ignore the trash can. That's the hole of the abyss. I have my browns and my whites and my blacks here, but the rainbows are up here. So that's just how I did it. Continuing on, I just wanted to show you guys, like, I like to put up quotes, and I hadn't found any quotes, and then I went through my old planners that I always get, and I found that there was these amazing inspiring quotes, which is why I purchased it in the first place. So I ended up cutting them up and putting them up on my wall to give me like a nice little like inspiration and good vibes and all that. Got my goals down here, so it's not like it's like out in the open for me to see, but like if I went live, it wouldn't be like plastered behind me. So really loving it. It's very colorful. And I did just put this here. This is my desk easel. Love it so much. This desk actually goes up and down. Yes, the cords are a mess. That thing closes. And we got the rainbow windows. Nothing changed. Still have a few Post-its, but that's okay. And I'm just really liking it. My moon wall, my desk over here, or paper cabinet. Highly recommend if you can get your hands on some of these. This was a upcycled one my mother-in-law found on the side of a road, and it was just one of those happy blessings. I currently have my stickers in this one. I did go through all this. This is all my extra paper of different kinds. It doesn't look that, it is organized. These ones are my pre-cut papers and backing boards and different things I like to paint on. So I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. I know it was a little late in coming, but this took a lot longer than I expected, and I really wanted to show you guys how it all came together. And yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to focus on. I did a lot of other art. I have art to ship out. Yes, this is the other side of the studio that you guys don't tend to see. And eventually, my hubby and I were talking, because my studio is connected to the living room, and this actually, that was a wall, and we cut it out. I thought maybe it'd be better. So now we're thinking maybe curtains. I don't know. The studio is always evolving, but honestly, this is gonna help my mind mentally just by having color up for like visual and for me to grab so I can work on it, which will be great. I'm curious what you guys do to liven up your studio or get you inspired, or what are some like studio hacks that you recommend? I'd love to hear in the comments below. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time here at Say Studio. For those who are interested in knowing where I got my paint racks, I found them on Etsy from a seller called Scottish Star Designs. You can go find her shop on Etsy, or just type in Scottish Star Designs. That's what you want to find. But honestly, they're amazing, high quality. These come in different colors, these little like plastic bolts that she 3D prints. It's really cool, very neat, and I'll show you up close just one more time so you can see. I picked this like aqua mint color, but they are securely on, and it fits like 81 paint containers. So highly recommend it. Thank you again.